What's up, man? You ready for the hike?
Yeah, let's go, dude.
Yeah, I brought Jack along too.
Who?
Yeah, Jack.
What the fuck?
Stop.
What?
Stop yanking on me like that. You can't do that. It's not gonna work.
Oh my god. Mom, please.
Why are you mad? Why are you mad right now?
What the fuck do you mean mom mad? Why the fuck is he here?
You said it was fine if he came.
I didn't say shit.
Yes, you did.
I didn't say
I texted you. You said it's fine if Jack
that's
comes.
not saying, that's texting.
Yes, you said yes.
Oh my
yes,
god.
comma, it's fine if Jack comes.
Yeah, but it's fine. Doesn't mean he can come. Where is the mountain?
We're not going to a mountain.
I told my parents we were going to a mountain.
No, Kennesaw's in the opposite direction. We're going to...
I thought we were taking a detour.
That doesn't even make sense.
Where's Branson?
Let's get in this drone.
Give him the camera and tell him to help me out.
He wanted me to give this to you.
Ow! Let me get this out. Oh. Enough out of you.
Yeah, hey, thanks, Jack. That's real nice of you.
Asshole.
Who?
Why'd you invite him?
That gets bad.
Don't fucking tell me what to do. You'd never make it a day in the wild. Designer shoes.
I think it's this way.
Yeah, right, dude. Have you even been here before? I'm a fucking nature boss. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, it actually is that way, so we should probably just head out that way. Come on, buddy. Let's go.
Is he gone?
What?
Is he gone?
No.
Dude, let's fucking ditch him. Come on.
We
come on,
can't.
dude.
No,
This-
Aiden. We can't just...
So have you been on this trail before?
Yeah, like 100 times.
100 times.
100,000. Sorry, I misspoke.
Wow.
Yeah, just don't talk to me the rest of the time, okay? Just try to let me enjoy myself. Come here.
Give me a second, man.
How the fuck is he still here?
We invited him on a hike. You think we just leave him?
Yeah, I thought that was the point.
How's that the point?
Maybe that was at the point. It's like fucking pranked with Ashton Kutcher. Guys, hey, wait, guys.
No, just keep walking. Just keep walking. Just keep walking.
Hey, don't. Guys, we're going this way.
I thought you didn't need
Show
us.
us this way.
You said
What do you mean?
didn't.
Yeah,
What?
okay, I don't need you, but you guys need me, okay? You all gonna get fucking eaten alive out here if it isn't for me and my fucking bow staff.
Come on, Aiden. You're gonna lose your stick.
Yeah? Well, I don't want to lose my head, okay? That's why I'm take off his. Let's fucking run away.
No, Aiden, we can't do that.
Yeah, come on.
You're gonna get lost on this.
fucking lost.
You're lost?
Yeah, you got me lost.
You lost? You need some help?
Dude, fuck off, man.
You alright, man? You need some water?
No, fuck you. Dude, it's fucking hot. Hold on.
You're such a bad buddy.
Alright, let's continue.
Dang, that was really good, Jack.
What? I've done way farther. See, the reason I agreed to come out here, even though he's here, is because I want to be a survival man. And looks like I just...
This will help stabilize.
Fuck you.
Sorry.
Someone help me! Don't fucking touch me!
Alright, I got it.
Yeah.
Aiden.
Hiking is not fun. Come on. Dude, don't get in this. Come on.
Sorry.
You guys just keep going. I'll catch up with you in a second.
I'll keep going then, I guess.
Okay.
Oh! Dude, hey man, what's up, dude? What the fuck is
You
that?
have a rock and a stick.
Bitch ass little fucking bitch ass.
Jack.
Come on, dude. Come on. Dude, you were fucking cool before you had that knife, dude.
Do you think, like, he doesn't like me or something? I'm trying to be his friend, I'm trying to be nice and everything.
I know,
Stop
I know.
him for you from pushing
It's not
me
your
in the
fault. I
river.
promise it's not your fault. He's just like really weird.
I don't understand.
Does this stuff.
Y'all bitches just trying to leave me behind again.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Keep walking.
I like your boots.
Y'all ever just like admire the graffiti?
It's like art.
It's not art, dude. It's fucking vandalism.
Give me the stick. Give me the. Hey, give it. Give me the stick. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Go! Oh, guys, it's a long fall. Can we go get my stick now? Hey, did I tell you how I almost passed out in my car on Saturday?
What?
Home?
Yeah.
Which way do we go, dude?
I really don't think it matters, man.
What do you mean it doesn't matter? We can go left or right to 4th.
I don't think it matters.
No, let's go this way.
Yeah, okay.
Come on, follow me. Guys, where'd you? Oh, there you are. I'm as brave. I'm brave as they come. And
Are you good, man?
yeah, I'm
you-
just trying to think my next move. Thanks, man. Come on. After all we've been through, you can go now.
Just go now.
Just go. Yeah, get off my property. Just go, leave, fine. Yeah? I guess pretty cool.